Hi, today I'm going to make these beautiful flowers called Wrightia. Very simple to make and bright and dazzling. Materials I'm using are crepe paper in green, cream and white, thin wire, thick wire, some cotton wool and green floral tape. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is stencil for the center. This is 2 by 2 centimeters. Cut one piece. This is for the hair follicle. This is 1.5 by 1.75. Cut one piece. This is for the petal. This is 3 by 2.75 here. And the length of the petals is 2 by 2.5 centimeters. Cut one piece. This is for the bud. This is 3 by 2.5. Cut as many as you like. And these are the leaves. The small one is 6 by 2 centimeters and the bigger one is 11 by 5 centimeters. Got a piece of thin wire. So this would be around 8.5 centimeters for the flower. Now take the piece for the center. Stretch it just a little bit. Apply glue. And stick it on this. So you get a kind of a conical shape like so. Take the piece for the follicle and as the name suggests, just cut thin strips on it. Apply glue. Take the center and just stick it on it, keeping the same height. Like so. Take the piece of the petal, first just curl it. Like so. Then take a little bit of the green floral tape. And then just make these little follicles, just sort of put them on top of each petal. Just hold a few and push them towards the petals. So this is how the flower would look. For the bud, cut a piece of thin wire. So this will be around 5 to 6 centimeters long. Now take a little bit of the wool like this. Like so. Take some tape. So this is how the bud would look. So I'll take the flower that I've made, take some more tape, and put the flower on it. So this is how it will look. So I've already made these. You can make a bunch of 2 flowers or 2 buds and a flower, like so. Now take some a little thin wire, slightly long. Take some green tape. Now I can start attaching them. Start with the and don't give too much of a gap. Just keep attaching them all. Like this, and I will just cut off this extra wire. So now just open in each of them individually and just spread them around. Like this, so you get a bunch like this. For the big leaf, I've cut a piece of thin wire, so this would be around 12.5 to 13 centimeters long. And the small leaf is, the wire I've used is about 6 centimeters long. So now just take the leaf. And lightly score on it. Like so. Take some green floral tape. Stretch it and wind it on this wire. Like this. Take the leaf. Apply glue on the back of the leaf. Oops. And stick this wire on it. Like so. And I'll just let it dry. Take a thick wire and a long piece of the tape. Now take the small leaves first, and they don't have much of a stem, so just hold it next to the wire. The leaves on this plant are opposite to each other. Leave just a little gap. Take the flowers and attach the bigger leaf. So these also won't have much of a stem. Just so you can attach more leaves and flowers in the same manner. So this is how it will look. So now just open out the leaves. And this is how the branch would look.